You know, you bring up an interesting point. These studies that have been done about nonverbal communication and 94% of selling happens at the subconscious subliminal level, they've also found that most of our communication happens through the five senses that are represented in the face. So if you think about all five senses, they're all right here. I haven't figured out how to use smell and taste in my sales presentations yet, but I'm working on it. When we have these conversations like this, even though it's virtual, you're getting a lot of information off of the person's face. And I'm like you. When I'm speaking to an audience, I want to lock eyes and find out where everybody is and what's working. If I'm saying something that's confusing them, I want to know that.